Want to boost your Amazon sales by offering different sizes, colors, or flavors of your best-selling product? Let's dive right into how to create a variation from an existing listing on Amazon Seller Central first. Log into your Seller Central account, hover over the Inventory tab and select Manage Inventory from the drop-down menu. Find the product you want to add variations to and click the Edit button on the far right side, then select Edit in Advanced View. Navigate to the Variation tab. If you don't see a Variation tab, your product might not be eligible for variations. In that case, contact Amazon Seller Support. Select the appropriate variation theme from the drop-down menu, such as size, color, or scent. This will determine how your variations are organized. Now, enter the specific attributes for each variation. For example, if you chose size, enter the available sizes like small, medium, and large. Click Add Variations. A table will appear with fields for each variation. Fill in the required information, including a unique product ID like AUPC or EAN, price, quantity, and any other relevant details. Make sure to complete all the required fields in the Offer tab for each variation, especially condition and fulfillment channel. Upload high-quality images for each variation in the Images tab. Showcasing each variation clearly is crucial for attracting customers. Optimize your product description and keywords to improve search visibility. Make sure to include relevant terms that customers might use when searching for your specific variations. Don't forget to add backend keywords in the Keywords tab. This helps Amazon understand your product and match it with relevant search queries. Finally, review your listing to ensure all variations are displayed correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully created a variation from an existing listing. Keep an eye on your sales performance and make adjustments as needed to optimize your listing. Good luck selling.